Rod, kaya ni Rod yan. Kaya ni Rod yan. Rod, di ba kaya mo yan? Kaya ni Rod yan.
Okay, once again for a round of applause. Then we have for the second dance where we have our monkey dance or what we call sayaw na unggoy po or the hunting dance. And actually for our Aita brothers, so there's no other animal inside Subic Forest can match the skills of a monkey in terms of hunting and foraging po. And for our young Aitas, it is a playtime or pastime, while the elders are set for hunting and gathering for food. Once again po we have Jessie and Kuya Justine to perform sa monkey dance. And watch out po.
Tangin na naman.
Okay, a round of applause again. Then we have for the lessons for this time, hindi sa animal dance, and napaka-importante po itong sayaw sa kanilang tribe. We call this the wardens or pangbabayani dance po. Actually, before they're sending their Aita brothers po for a real battle or for a tribal war, they do perform wardens for pangbabayani dance para manghingi po ng guidance from their God for codes upon na magyari to have a victorious fight. And again, one way of selection also for them. Naniniwala po sila the best dancer or the best performer will be the best fighter. And once again po, we have Jessie and Greg to perform the wardens. And as you can see po, they're using a real bow and arrow or yung tinatawag nating pana or kalapot.